A very warm welcome to Success EduTech. This is my lecture 2. So in the last lecture, I explained you about good morning poem and what did the child wanted to say and everything I explained. Let us revise the poem once again. Good morning sky, good morning sun, good morning little winds that run. Good morning birds, good morning trees and the creeping grass and brownie bees. How did you find out it was day? Who told you night has gone away? I am wide awake. I am up now too. I will be right out to play with you. Now, this was the poem I explained you in the last lecture. Today, we are going to know about the new words. Yesterday, in the last lecture, you have underlined the words. Remember, you have underlined creeping, awake, gone away, isn't it? Now let us know the meaning of creeping and we will form some sentences from creeping. So the meaning of creeping is to move slowly and carefully. So the creeping grass means the grasses which are slowly moving. Okay. And what sentence can you make? Can you frame a sentence from creeping? I was creeping downstairs in sleep. Or we can write the snail was creeping under my bed. Okay, it is so dangerous. The snail was creeping under my bed. Now let us go to the next one. What's the meaning of awake? Who can say me what's the meaning of awake? The meaning of awake is not sleeping. Let us frame some sentences. I was wide awake in the morning. Okay, and next sentence is the noise outside my house made me awake. And next one is gone. That means no longer present. Now the person is no longer present. He had gone before I reached the party. The person has already gone before I reached the party. You were gone a long time. Now what happened? You went before some time. So you were gone up before some time. Now next one is away. Away is at a distance from a particular place. So what is the sentence for that? He put away the gun looking at me. That means he threw away the gun looking at me. I was away when the doctor was here. So I was afraid of the doctor. So what happened? When the doctor came and I went away. Now these were the words, difficult words or new words you can say of the poem, that is creeping, awake and gone away. We have also we seen the meanings of these and we have also framed some sentences with this. Let us understand the question answers now. Okay, why is the child in the poem happy? Who can tell me the answer? The child in the poem is happy because it is morning, isn't it? When you get up in the morning, you are so happy. You see the rising sun and you see bright sunlight and you are very happy. Now, what is the second question? To whom is the child saying good morning? So the child says good morning to the sky, sun, little winds, birds, grass, and bees. So as we have seen in the poem, can you remember? We have seen in the poem that the girl says good morning to the sky, sun, little winds, birds, grass, and the bees. Now let us go to the third question. What does the child want to do? The child wants to play outside, isn't it? Now let us go to the next one. Now it is a talk time. In the morning I say good morning. At night I say good night. A dog says bow bow. A cat says moo moo. Say good morning in your own language. Now what is this? This is your homework. Okay, you're going to ask your friends or you're going to ask your relatives. You can ask your teacher or your friends and you're going to say good morning in your own language. Okay, and you can ask them also to speak in your own language. So what do we say in Hindi to good morning? We say suprabhat. Okay, and now this question may vary from person to child or student to student. because it is Suprabhat in Hindi, it is something else in Bengali, it is something else in Marathi, it is something else in Punjabi, Telugu, we don't know. But it will be different from for child to child. So this is your homework. You are going to talk with your friends in your mother tongue. You will say good morning in your own language. And tomorrow when you come, I want to see that everybody has a new language to speak, and you're going to say good morning to me in that language. Okay, now next one, how would you wish them if when you leave the school in the evening? So in the evening when you go away from the school, when you leave the school, what do you say? You say good evening. Okay, good evening to everyone, you say, and you then leave the school. Now next one is, let's say aloud. We have to find the words in the poem which rhyme with bees. So what is the word which rhyme with bees in the poem? That is trees. Okay, and day. Okay, now next one is day. Can you say me which word in the poem rhymes with day? Let us go to the poem again. What is the word which rhymes? Let us see. It is away. Day, away. Then next one is two. What is the word in the poem that rhymes with two? That is you. Okay. So we have bees, trees, day, away, and to you. Now again, this is your homework. What do you see around you during the day and night? Draw in the two boxes and color the picture. So this is your homework. What you are going to do, whatever you see in the day, you are going to draw them and you are going to color. Similarly at night, what you see, you are going to draw and color. Now we are going to see the next question. Write two words each from the picture that you have drawn. So again, this is the homework. So whatever you have drawn, for day you are going to write two words, and for night you are going to write two words. Now this is a team time. What are we going to do? We are going to form groups, tell interesting things that you have seen in the garden. So what is it written? Dinner. This is mud. A fat worm lives in the mud. A leaf falls on the in the mud, and it is worm's dinner. So it is a team, like when you form a group and you play, you can when you go to the garden, you can form group, and what did you see in the garden, you can write. Okay, now this is, I like to sing when the sun is shining, tra la la la, tra la la la. I like to sing when the sun is shining, tra la la, tra la la. So this is again, you can form various tunes for this, and you can sing this song. Okay, now we are finished with our unit 1, that is good morning. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section, and like and subscribe my lecture. Tomorrow I will be coming with my next lecture and the next lesson of this unit, and we'll be having a nice time. So wait for my next lecture, and please like, subscribe and comment for this. Thank you and have a nice day.